Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be sharing a survival tip. I'm going to be showing you how to make a consistent animal snare.
Run to your sanctuary, shut it down. Make sure we can't get in.
So for this type of snare, you need to find a natural hole in the ground for the animal to be trapped in. So I found a perfect example here. This was covered, and because the ground is soft, I've just dug this hole out. It's a perfect little size for a bunny or a rat or some rodent. So it's up to you how deep you want to make it. The deeper the hole, the bigger animal you can catch. So once you've filled your hole, you need to find a big log, a bit like this one, to use as to close the hole. So it needs to be bigger than the top of the hole. Next, you find little sticks that are fairly light, and you prop the big log above the hole. So after you've propped the log up, you then need to place the thin sticks across the hole without knocking the log off, like so. So you need to make sure the stick breaks quite easily. This one's too strong, so that when the rodent puts pressure on the trap, then it won't resist. So once you've built up quite a big area of a trap area, you get the roots that you pulled out earlier, and you put them on top like this. So now you just get leaves and you put it over the trap to cover up the holes. So the final stage is just putting some bait as far back as possible, so if a rabbit or something comes, it will knock the back of the big one and will get trapped in the hole. So this is your trap complete. The log would trap the bunny, and you'd come back in the morning and then make sure you catch it out of the hole before it ran away. For those of you who don't believe me, I'm going to do a little reenactment of the best case scenario. Thank you for watching. That's the end of the video. I hope you've learned something today. Subscribe for more survival tips. Peace out.